Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled The Moment She Realized Everything Was on Camera by Midwest Safety.
On June 20th, 2024 in Cleveland, Ohio, surveillance footage from inside a police station caught this interaction between several women. It turns out that two of the women wouldn't stop following a car as a result of road rage, so the victims had the genius idea of leading the suspects to the police station, baiting them inside. Unfortunately, things would only get crazier from there.
You gotta be some type of stupid to be trying to follow somebody into a police station. Oh. Oh, y'all are going to jail. Taser, taser, taser.
As officers get all the involved parties separated, they attempt to figure out what the cause of all this fighting was.
I'm not understanding how she the only one in handcuffs when she just came in and punched her. So I'm not understanding. I'm not understanding that. What is it, the color? Yes. Yeah, it gotta be, because she just came in here, it's on camera.
It's not color. You dumbasses decided to swing on somebody and follow them in a police station. That was the dumbest shit you could have done. It wasn't. It's not color. It's just stupidity versus non-stupidity. Let's start that up. I don't like that one. We're gonna start it over. I don't like it. All right. Start that over. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled The Moment She Realized Everything Was on Camera by Midwest Safety. Reaching out.
On June 20th, 2024 in Cleveland, Ohio, surveillance footage from inside a police station caught this interaction between several women. It turns out that two of the women wouldn't stop following a car as a result of road rage, so the victims had the genius idea of leading the suspects to the police station, baiting them inside. Unfortunately, things would only get crazier from there.
Oh. Dang, that's her girlfriend? Taser, taser.
As officers get all the involved parties separated, they attempt to figure out what the cause of all this fighting was.
I'm not understanding how she the only one in handcuffs when she just came in and punched her. So I'm not understanding. I'm not understanding that. What is it, the color?
No. You idiots decided to follow somebody into a police station and then aggressively pursue them. I don't know what you guys thought was gonna happen, but like that was dumb as hell.
Because she just came here, it's on camera. They got cameras in there too.
She attacked me out there. One of us was taking forever.
I can't hear you.
You're the aggressor here.
No, she's not. Come here. He swung on her. I was just swung on her. Okay, but she don't know.
Why y'all yelling, bro?
Just because you got handcuffs on doesn't mean She pulled up on the side of us. She's like, I'm gonna beat your ass. I'm gonna beat you. So then we ran. I said, I ain't gonna lie, I ran a red light. She ran it right with me. I said, you know what? I'm taking her straight to the police.
Excuse me, am I over checking my daughter? She's outside with my grandmother. I don't know if I'm out to walk past them. I don't know what to do. I want to go. I want to go. This is why I don't come to Cleveland. I want
Is she bleeding?
This is crazy.
I was trying to record her car because I was going to just come do it myself, come here regardless. Because they was doing stuff in traffic, like trying to swerve and make us hit her car and hit my car. So I said, okay. You don't know these folks? No. So when we walking up, this said something about son. So I said, I don't give a fuck about you or your baby. Her with the 2016 walked her big Humpty Dumpty ass in here and just put her hands on me. So she got knotted up.
I might see if I can take you out a different way real quick so you don't have to walk past that. I'm gonna walk her. I'm gonna walk. She wants to go check on her kid. I don't want to
go with her because the other lady's out there too that they have.
I'm gonna go with her, but I'm gonna walk her through that way, I'm saying, so that she doesn't have to go this way. Okay.
Okay, so what happens from here? Am I allowed to go home?
Well, we have EMS coming to take a look at you. Okay. I mean, you have a
Wait. So this lady didn't know the other lady. She just came in to be Captain Saver. Okay.
head, you know.
I'll be fine. I have seizures.
Is you okay? You just posted up with me outside. They got everything on camera. You next. All right, now you next. Now you next. Come pump your brakes. Just stop talking.
She needs some milk, and she need to be what's that word I always say, y'all? All right, yeah, y'all say it in the chat for me, shit. Tranquilized. She need to be tranquilized.
Don't even talk to her. Don't even talk to her. She's not even worth it.
Trash.
It's not worth it.
Baby, have fun. Go to jail, baby. Racist. I'm half black. What is she talking about?
People say crazy stuff all the time.
It don't matter that my community swear I'm not black because the texture of my hair. They be like, oh, your hair too good. You not black. Like, okay, whatever, bitch. I know black. I Dominican. That's what I gotta say to people now.
Road rage?
Let me tell you.
And you don't know this girl.
No!
Is anybody in the car with her?
No.
Just stay with her.
No, I was like, if this girl's gonna follow me crazy, I'm gonna bring her right straight to the police. And then she chased me up here and hit me outside. I'm right here on the ramp. Yes!
We'll probably need
I would press charges.
to get a report from you just so to press charges on her for the assault, okay?
Oh, baby.
All right, so you guys, where did this initially,
Why did she get to go? Because she was hitting me too. So why isn't she in handcuffs?
I don't even know who that is, honestly.
No, she was hitting me too. So is she not supposed to be in handcuffs?
I don't know what they ended up, I know one of them's in the backseat. I don't know what is going on here. So where did this initially start at? You said it was, you guys were in the car?
As we were getting waited
She can't be this slow. Why would you return somewhere where you was involved with the crime, babes?
traffic by just a regular citizen, no cops, no nothing. The lady was beeping, so then I flipped her off, and that's how it started.
Okay.
Where my girl at? Where my girl at?
She's in the car.
Was she in the car for? I'm not understanding why she the only one in handcuffs. Nobody else
You need to be in handcuffs too.
is in handcuffs. When this bitch just came in and clapped her, I'm not understanding why the she the only one in handcuffs.
I don't know. We're gonna figure it out.
How is y'all figuring out when she the only one in handcuffs? Nobody else is in handcuffs. Y'all keep saying y'all gonna figure it out. Like, what the
You okay?
So you flipped her off and then she followed you here?
She's like, bitch, get off. Y'all want to do.
If you look at, I don't know if y'all got traffic cameras down this street, but if you look at
You guys were coming from this way?
We came from
Okay.
140th and around. And we were running late because I was like, you know what? She wants to act this way. I'm going to take her straight to the police department.
Oh, that's her
And
mom?
She said, I tried to hit your car with my car, really.
Weird. So what they about to get? They getting let go?
I don't know. The officer figuring out. Like they gotta do their investigation.
That's my new word for today. We're figuring it out, okay?
Like, bitch, why you standing like that? I beat your ass after. Fat bitch. What you doing?
Ma'am, I'm gonna advise you not to threaten anybody.
I don't give a. She's standing there. She the only one. She just came in here and clapped my bitch.
I'm
What
going
y'all doing, bro?
I'm asking you to calm down. If you're not gonna calm down, I'm gonna ask you to leave.
I gotta leave. I'm about to leave.
That's probably a good idea.
The other one's not arrested. I don't know why. The other one should be arrested too. She was hitting her.
Okay, so when did you guys walk up into the
I
building?
didn't run up in there because I wasn't scared.
Okay.
I'm not scared of anybody, but I didn't want to put my hands.
Man, your ass was scared. It's okay to be scared. I see two people that I don't know chasing after me. I'm run on. You gonna get that fa. You know what I'm saying? I become Picasso.
Like, I didn't know how old they are or anything.
Yeah.
She attacked me right here. She hit me from behind right here on the
The one that's already in the car?
Yes.
Okay.
she hit her. If y'all gonna look on the camera.
Calm down.
Man, all right, I'm cool. What y'all about to take her?
I would really like to go home. I don't want to ride with her.
She's in the back of a cop car, babe. I think that's the answer to that.
Or I would like to go home. Do I have to wait for the EMS? Because I know it's my legal right if I choose not to.
You don't have to wait. Let me go talk to them real quick, okay?
Man,
Let me go talk to my sergeant.
Man, she just bled you. Wait for the EMS. Shit.
Let me go talk to my sergeant real quick, okay?
And she's the only one arrested.
Sounds like it's a road rage incident.
That's what so there was a fight. A civilian was directing traffic. They thought it was her that was slowing everything up, so they were talking shit to her. She flicked them off, and then they started following her. She said she drove to the police station because they were following her. She went through red lights and everything.
No one's even going yet. We're just gathering
It don't matter. Why? She the only one in the car. Because she's black. That's why. Did y'all see that? But did y'all see when the fat bitch came in here?
Calm down.
Man, all right, wow, because I'm in the...
You're going there too.
They said they ran into here, and then.
Oh, we saw. I mean, we saw the melee. It was all in this lobby right here. You know.
So did that one assault?
I don't know about the one in the white shirt.
So the girl who has most of the assault to the face did say she assaulted and she assaulted.
We were breaking it up. I mean, she was on top of her, pulling her hair and just hitting her. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't like.
Well, they basically chased them into here.
Yeah, they did.
Yeah, they chased her into here.
Does she want EMS?
Why does he look like that guy? Fuck, what's that actor's name? Bro, it's on the top of my tongue too, bro. He looks just like that actor.
She doesn't want EMS. She wants to leave and not do a report, she said.
Is it Monsters Ball, Halle Berry? I watched that scene a bazillion times. Not because of him, though, but because of Halle Berry. But, bro, that's exactly who he looks like.
She said that other girl should be arrested too, and this girl, but then she's like, I don't want EMS.
Go talk to them, see what they want to do. They want to do a report.
Is she doing a report or no? She said she didn't want to file charges and didn't want to do a report. She just told me she didn't want EMS and wanted to go home. She just said on my body camera that she didn't want EMS. She just wants to go home. She didn't want to file a report.
Hey, we're doing it. She's under arrest. That's what the guy saw.
Okay.
Take care of her information. Doing an arrest report on her.
I got both of their information. We're doing the report without her statement.
Where's the white shirt at?
She's going. These guys saw it. She was told to stop. She didn't stop. That's on her.
She just said to me, I don't want to do a report. I want to go home. I don't want EMS. That's what she just said.
Okay, am I allowed to press charges?
We are arresting
What about,
her.
I got hit by both of them,
But we
ma'am.
told you that,
Both
you
of
said you had
them.
to go talk
They
to
see
the
me
sergeant.
getting hit by
She
both.
said,
Okay,
I don't
changed
wanna-
my mind. I would like to press charges now. Can you arrest her? Because they were both hitting me.
We thought you were
She long gone, little baby.
checking what was going on
No,
in
she
there.
just said to me multiple times she didn't
again,
want to
I
do a
want to press
report.
charges again now. Can we
Well,
arrest her?
she's going to jail,
I
okay?
don't care, 'cause they were both hitting me.
Okay, that my sergeant said he saw her, so you have to talk to him about it, okay? I was not here. You guys are getting upset with me when she just said she wanted to go home. We're taking her to jail regardless.
Yeah, because I ain't gonna lie to you. You keep telling me you don't want to press charges, and now you do want to press charges, and you ain't pressing charges because that ship is hell. I'm not going back and forth with you.
But she said
See, that's why I couldn't be a cop, bro.
to me multiple times, I want to go
I know,
home.
but
I don't want.
remember- I don't listen,
Okay,
please listen.
I understand.
said
But
you
if
were
she
gonna
doesn't
talk
want to
to-
file charges and she's the victim,
But
then
what she was saying is...
no,
couldn't
she told
believe-
me multiple times she doesn't want to file charges. She wants to go home.
she wants
She
to-
doesn't want EMS. That's what she said.
And that's when this woman slipped out of her handcuffs.
What the hell?
She walked in and did just like this in my face. Y'all tell me
Why would you argue with somebody whose teeth look like this? She don't care.
I'm going to jail. She just put her hands on me first.
We're still gonna put you in handcuffs, okay?
Okay, why they not in handcuffs? They just put their hands on me first.
Because we're dealing with you. Otherwise, we will be dealing with them.
Okay, please
We're
don't
over
deal
here
with them
dealing
first, too.
Nope. Come on.
Don't keep hitting me. Stop
Okay.
grabbing on me like that. You don't have to
Oh.
do none of that.
Come here.
Man, get the f off of me. Record this.
Stop.
Your girlfriend gone.
Stop.
Stop resisting.
Stop.
Stop resisting.
Man.
Stop.
Is she trying to run?
Stop.
Get off of me.
This is what happened when you can't control your emotions.
Stop. Get the f off of me. I'm scraping my head now.
Then stop
I'm
resisting.
sorry for you. I swear to God, we swear to God. Where the f they way? Get the f off of
with me.
Her wrists are gonna slip right through them again.
Double cup him.
You're doing that on purpose now.
I'm trying to tighten the cuffs.
What's wrong with you? It's a camera right there.
Stop, man.
Get off me. I don't want to talk to y'all no more. Y'all hitting me and shit. Y'all hitting me. I'm not doing nothing. Y'all can't do right with me.
Just get inside the car.
No, y'all just scratch me the up and everything. I don't want to talk to y'all no more.
Scratch you? No, I'm
Yes,
going
you
to-
did. I just told you all pushing me up against the walls. Scratching
you
my
were
back and
resisting
saying, "Oh,
arrest."
stop touching me.
Then get in the car.
2-year-old with me has a lot of sympathy for her because I I know how she feels as a 2-year-old.
Perfect.
Perfect. That's all on the bill.
All right, tell them they had assault because she kicked us. Oh, okay. All right. Resisting and assault.
He like, damn, another charge. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's